Hello my creative friends! Olga from Smart Art Materials here, and first of all I want to let you know that last Friday I posted a video of interview with Rinsky Donna, and in that interview she's sharing a lot of information about different aspects of her art practice, and if you haven't seen it yet, definitely check it out. A couple weeks ago I posted a video of the way I created this beauty, and my husband really liked it. He really liked the way those colors work together. So he asked me to make one more for him with the same colors, but he wants it to be a horizontal composition. So this is what I'm going to try and do today, the commission for my husband. And those are the colors that I'm using. As always, all the names and the recipe and all that details in the description of the video. But before we get started, there is one more thing I want to show you guys. So here is a little set that I created using the same colors, because I personally love them so much as well. And there is ultramarine, and there is a turquoise and gold and a couple more colors. I'm not sure what composition would be the best. I might move them around a little more, but I kind of really like it so far. And also, can you see this little black spot here? Honestly, I have no idea how it got there, but if you guys ever have paint on your hands and you have finished pour, never carry your hand over finished pour, always carry it around. Alright, I would love to hear from you what you think about this set, and let's get started with our today's pour. Alright guys, so here it is a few days later. I think it's been like 5 days, and the color shift paint is just fabulous. I absolutely love it. So is the gold. Few really beautiful spots here. I think it dried really awesome, but I felt like it looks kind of empty here. So I got some shells, and this is what I got. So now I like it. I like it so much better with those shells, and I might need to move them around a little more. I didn't glue them yet. And the problem is that those shells, they're kind of heavy, and I don't think that any glue that I have will work, and I don't want them to fall off in a few days. So if you know of a nice glue, and if you've done something similar and it worked, please let me know which glue did you use. I would love to get any advice from you. And you know what? I like this pour so much, and I like the way it looks with shelves a lot. So, ta-da! I did one more. And this one is almost a twin. Same colors, all same idea, but I left some more room here because I want to add more shells and I want to play with composition a little more. So I would love to hear from you guys what you think, how you like it. I also would love to hear if you know a nice glue that would work for these shells. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Happy pouring!